Hi everyone, it's been 3 days since my report came positive. So I'm taking treatment at home only and I have started with my medication. I am taking Febiflu morning and evening, Zincovit and doxycycline and vitamin C tablets, and I am feeling better. My voice is still not normal, but I'm stable. I'm maintaining SpO2 oxygen levels. I'm maintaining SpO2 is 99% on room air. I also performed 6-minute walk test yesterday. In physiotherapy, whenever we want to discharge any patient after any heart surgery or any pulmonary surgery, we do a 6-minute walk test. So what we do in that is we check the baseline measurement before that means before the patient starts walking. At rest we measure that their heart rate and SpO2 level, and after then we ask the patient to walk for 6 minutes, and after the patient has walked for 6 minutes, then we again check the SpO2 level and the heart rate. And I want to thank one of my friend, Mr. Nikhil Chakravarti, who is currently working at Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad, and we also arranged a webinar with Nikhil as a resource person on rehabilitation and COVID-19, and I had called him yesterday and he advised me to get a pulse oximeter and check my SpO2 level and then start with the little bit of exercises. So I did 6-minute walk test yesterday. So my baseline SpO2 was 99% and heart rate was 86. Then I walked for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I didn't feel breathless or out of breath. I was fine, and then I checked with my pulse oximeter. Again, I checked my SpO2 and heart rate. So even after 6 minutes of walking inside the home only, where my SpO2 was 99 and my heart rate was 86, which was just like how it was before I started walking. That means that my lungs are working fine and my body is not deprived of oxygen. I am taking steam inhalation. At least I make it a point that at least 2 times, morning and evening, I do that. I am doing betadine gargling also, but my voice is still not clear like normal. But yes, energy wise, if you ask me, I am feeling a lot better. I am feeling more energetic. My first symptom that was troubling me was the weakness. So now I don't have that much weakness. I think people are saying that whenever you start experiencing the symptoms, there will be 1 or 2 days where you will feel more symptoms. You will feel that your body is weak and you are not able to cope up. So I would say that for me, that day was Saturday when I went for RT-PCR testing, since I was having a lot of weakness. So I think that was the worst day of my COVID-19 journey, but now I am recovering day by day. It's been only 4 days, it's been only 3 days since I am on Febiflu medication, but still I am feeling a lot better, and I am spending my time doing the things I like, talking to my friends, doing video calls with my friends and family, and trying to stay positive. And I also try to do some exercises which I can perform without feeling breathless, and whenever I feel that I am having fatigue or I am tired, I am taking rest. So just keep going, and after 15 days, once the medication is over and your body has recovered, slowly you will be able to go back to your normal status. So yeah, this is the journey, and I'm recording it because in future this will help someone who's also going through the same process. Okay. And yeah, one more thing, drink lots of water since it is summer. and you tend to sweat a lot. Whenever you have viral fever, there is a tendency of sweating a lot, because if you get fever and all, your body will lose lots of amount of water through sweating. So it's very crucial that you have your lemon juices on time and drink plenty of water. That's it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Bye and take care and stay safe, and don't go out until it's like emergency. Yeah, thank you.